and it would stop at save at 100%. And that is not an ideal situation, by the way, guys. We don't want that to happen. So let's just say I did that by accident. I meant to do another color. All I gotta do is hit subtract, and then it pops up. Okay, goes back to where it was basically. I don't know why we lost 0.08, but we did. Um, you always have to hit save. Every time you make changes in here, you have to make save or hit save. Otherwise, it would be gone. So let's just see. We'll just hit cancel. Right? Then we open that back up. Then there's blue. It's back where it was.
Okay.
Okay. So, and since I don't really want it to change anyway, that's a good thing. But remember, you can change this. You can just double click here and put 0.85 when you're doing blue. Okay, because so much of that's going to stick. And then always move it back to 0.94, save, and you open it up, there's 0.94. Any questions about this? Okay, you can do them all at once, but that's a pretty strange situation.
Yeah.
And I would like to interject right here, because I see you have a lot of partial quarts of colorant. If it won't take a whole quart, then don't put it in. Okay?
Okay.
Because when you open those up and they sit there for 2 or 3 months with almost nothing in them, they dry out. And you just wasted stuff because it's not going to come out of the can. And you don't want to put that thick of stuff in there anyway because this is calibrated for the viscosity that it's at when it comes out of the can. So, alright. We'll save. And this is going to pop up again later. It happens when you are dispensing. And all these boxes here would all be populated with information. Okay, so we'll go ahead and minimize that. And then we're going to go to this beaker right here, dispenser management. Okay, now this is where you guys used to add colorant, okay? And there's a real good reason we don't do it here. Number one is that letter right there. Okay, you guys have your colorant in quarts, and this is measuring it in liters.
Okay.
Okay, so we'll take a problem out of the equation, and we just won't use this screen. But we do need this button right here. This is the only one you need. Because once you click that, then everything from here up you can use. If you have to reset the machine, and that's your only command, I don't even know why they do that. See? So we're not going to do that. So when you want to purge it every day, I think you should come to this screen because you can select the purge, and then instead of parallel, that was parallel that we did before, when it was doing 2 at a time.
Uh-huh.
Okay, if you hit sequential, then it will do 1 at a time, and you can do, and like, once again, it's real quick. You just count to 12. If you don't see 12 of them come out, do it over again. And if you still don't see it come out, then somebody needs to clean the nozzle tip. And then if that doesn't work, then it's a service call. Okay? So let's go ahead and just do it for grins here. So this is parallel. Go ahead and bend over there and have a look. Well, it's going to go quick, and it's quiet. Oh, why? I thought I hit. No, I didn't hit. I hit parallel. Here's sequential. All right. Okay, so that having said all that and learned how to do that 2 different ways, there's a third way. 2 of your colors dry out super quick, okay? Black and red. So if you want to come over here every once in a while and just do, you can put 4 canister, black is 7, and we can do that. And just do that. And then red's the other one, and that's number 9.
You want to give me the keys to light bulbs real quick?
Kevin's got a key. He can do it. He's lazy.
Okay, so the last thing we're going to do on this screen is stirring.
Okay.
So when somebody's doing the cleaning of the nozzle tips that we talked about, this is a good time to take the time to do this. If one of them quits stirring, then all the hard, heavy stuff's going to sink to the bottom,
Oh yeah.
and then it's going to really cause problems. So when you want to check stirring, you can make them all stir. Like, let's just say you just put in a bunch of color, like in 3 different colors. So you just want them to all stir to get the bubbles out or whatever. You could hit all. But if you do, it's going to go 30 seconds on each one. So 12 times 1/2 is 6. So that's 6 minutes of standing here and waiting. Okay, because you have to open the lid to look in, because they all have separate motors. Okay, so when you're doing it, I suggest you just pick one, come over here and put in 4 or 5 seconds. We'll just put in 5, and then you can see if you've got the lid off, hit run, and then there it makes.
You gotta take the lid off for it, sir.
You need to take the lid off so you can make sure you see it happening.
Okay.
Because just because you can hear it turning doesn't mean the paddles are going.
Okay.
Because those motors will turn, and if something's broken, then it won't work. Any questions on that one?
Nope.
All right.